Hi guys, welcome back to the Resinator. As you can see, today I'm going to be doing a bowl, but this is a bowl from a mould as opposed to doing a large bloom in a tray mould and then shaping it in a bowl. So we're going to go straight for a bowl mould. So I'm going to move this out the way to start with. This mould takes quite a bit of resin, so I've got loads of resin made up here, and I thought that I would go with some pastel-y pretty colours today. So we're going to put a little bit of glitter in. This is, everything I'm using is from Create and Bloom, and this is Snow Pixie glitter, which is pink and green and white. It's very pretty. And muskmallow pink resin paste, salvia resin paste, and plain sailing mica powder. And it's a really nice pale blue. There we go. So I'm pretty sure that this one's not open. Yeah, so we'll keep that to one side a second. I know I've used the muskmallow. So first of all, I'm going to pop glitter in this one. That's really pretty. I don't think I'm going to do this as a dirty pour. I think I might just alternate between all of the colours. A dirty pour might be better, but I'm not sure that I really want to. I mean, I've already got 4 cups to clean up. Do I need any more in that? No, I think that'll be okay. I think that'll be okay. So that is our Snow Pixie, and I think we'll go with plain sailing in that one. Oh, look at that. Oh, I like that. It's a bit of a chameleon blue to gold. That is pretty. That is really, really pretty. I don't know whether any of you follow Lou on Instagram, the Create and Bloom Instagram page, but she's about to that is stunning. She's about to release some new chameleon powders and micas, and they look absolutely stunning. That is beautiful. Oh, I hope this one stays. So that is plain sailing. This one, I think I'm going to do our muskmallow. I thought I'd go with a bit more of a pastel-y palette, a lighter palette this time, because I do a lot of dark colours. There is our muskmallow, and then the salvia I need to open. I'm not sure whether you've noticed, but some of the pigment paste, there is more in some than others, And that is correct. There is the same amount in all of them. This one is 20 grams. There's the same amount in all of them, but some pigments are heavier than others. So that means there's actually less product. I think I've got that right. I'm sure if I've got that wrong, Lou can correct me in the comments. I think that's how it works, but that's why some of them appear to have more in than others. But you've got the same weight of pigment. Okay, let's put this away and move these so I can bring the mould back in. So I'm going to start with the glitter. And as I usually do, we're going to go a bit around the edge. And then we're just going to alternate with our colours, and I'm just going to pour in the middle. And let the colours just keep pushing down the glitter. Oh, not that. What is that? I'm not sure what that is, so I'm going to grab a silicone tool. Looked like it might have been a little bit of pigment that wasn't quite mixed in, and then I'm going to go in with our plain is it plain sailing? Did I say it was called? Yeah, I think it is. How lovely is that? And I'm just going to keep going until the mould is full. We're about halfway now. And then I'm not going to stir it or anything. I'm just going to let the resin do its own thing. Might end up with stripes, it might mix together a bit, I don't know, but we'll see what we get. I'm getting to the top now, and I want to end with the blue. There we go. Maybe see if I can squeeze a little bit of glitter in there. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to keep an eye on it. I will give the sides a tap just in case of bubbles, but I don't want to mess with it too much. And I will see you back for the demold. This is all cured now. It certainly looks interesting. That plain sailing looks gorgeous floating on the top there. So let's see if I can start it off. I've got to find a way in. There we go. There we are. Oh wow, that is really cool. That Snow Pixie glitter is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. That is so pretty. I would have liked a bit more of the plain sailing to have come through on the front, but it's okay. It's cool. I actually really love that. That is so pretty. So if you like what I'm doing, please pop a like on the video and subscribe to the channel. It's a couple of little clicks, it's free, and it really helps me grow the channel. Links to everything that I've used in this project will be down in the description, along with the links to my Amazon wish list and to buy me a coffee, and the buttons to join the channel as a member and the super thanks button. Thank you to all of my members and viewers and subscribers. You guys are absolutely fantastic. And all that's left to say now is thank you everyone, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care everyone. Bye.